Dancer Lady L asked me how I show up on social media. I'm like, what?
What are you struggling with?
So I'd like help reframing self-promotion. When I was a kid, like growing up, you were able to show off if you shared your skills, knowledge, or experience.
How are you showing up for your dancing right now?
I find when my body is actually in motion, I feel more expressive, whereas when I go to post, I got to focus on these hashtags and whatever.
So what would you like to post right now? Like if there was another version of Lady L and you could show up and say that thing, just like the way Calm says, what would that be?
That dance is for anyone, no matter your age, size, and that it can give you hope that you can move your body in different ways.
Say that message again, but this time with movement.
Kia ora, hello, it's Lady L, and I'm here to tell you that Polynesian dance fitness is for everybody, including those of us who are 40, 50, 60, 70 years old. We can learn to move any way we want to.
Woo! Yeah, perfect.
How awesome was that difference in confidence? Just showing up by taking what she's done already with dancing and using that for her social media presence.